The Chattooga and Chickamauga Railway, reporting mark CCKY, is a short line railroad which is headquartered in Lafayette, Georgia. The railroad operated 22 miles, 35 kilometers, of the Tennessee, Alabama and Georgia Railway, a.k.a. the tag route, from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Kensington, Georgia, which reverted to the Norfolk Southern System and was partially removed after the Dow Reichhold Specialty Latex LLC plant in Kensington closed in August 2008. The C&C also operates 42 miles, 68 kilometers, of the former Central of Georgia Railroad from Chattanooga to Lyerly, Georgia. That line is leased from the state of Georgia. Locomotives. The locomotives the C&C operates are 102. Former Chicago and Northwestern Transportation Company EMDGP-7. 103. Former Santa Fe CF-7. Now retired. 2050. EMDGP-38. And Columbus and Greenville 1804. Former Illinois Central GP-11. Also, they use a Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum GP-7 if one of their 3 locomotives is in repair or out of service. Ownership. The CCKY is owned by the Georgia Department of Transportation and operated by KG Industries. The operating lease was acquired in 2008 by Genesee & Wyoming Inc. Gallery.